Hi, this is Deva Edelman.
And I'm Eric Edelman, and we're with Century 21 Award.
And we're here to take a look at this historic home in Escondido. And we'd love to share with everybody some of the unique features of this house. What makes it special?
This is a historic home registered with the City of Escondido. It combines classic charm with modern amenities and has plenty of space inside and out. This home has been carefully maintained and is move-in ready. The kitchen and baths have been recently updated. It has a finished basement with a half bath and laundry room. The basement has a separate entrance and is connected to the main home. The backyard includes a covered patio, mature trees, and lots of room for kids and pets.
We hope you enjoyed the tour of this historic home.
And if you'd like to schedule a private tour to come and see this house, all you need to do is send us a message or give us a call.